Now students, let us move forward with the next paragraph. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. As the mother went out for purchasing something in the market, so after some time she came back with the basket that she took with her, or we can say the basket which she carried along her. She purchased the groceries. Groceries, the items of food. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. And as she was coming at home, she saw the mongoose. It was sitting as if it was waiting for her. Means the face, the eyes of the mongoose were predicting something that, yes, ma'am, mother, I am waiting for you only. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. And as soon as the mongoose saw the mother coming in his normal habit, which he usually did every day, he ran toward her to welcome her. As we have pets, many of us have pets, especially the dogs in our house, and when we return from work after a long time, then we see our dog just running towards us and just trying to hold us and trying to speak. It feels like they are trying to speak us and welcome us. In the same way, the mongoose was also welcoming and was feeling very happy to see the mother. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. As the mongoose, which was his customary habit, that is traditional, his normal habit, ran toward the mother. The mother saw the face of the mongoose and she screamed. She shouted very loudly, "Blood!" she cried. So the face of the mongoose was full of blood, and seeing that, the mother was very, very afraid and she shouted. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Not only the face, the paws, the foot part was also smeared, that is covered with blood. So, seeing the mongoose having blood all over the parts of his body, the mother was very frightened and she started shouting, "You wicked animal! You have killed my baby!" She screamed hysterically. As you can see, wicked means evil, immoral. A person or an animal who is thought to be not very good, who does the wrong thing, they are called evil and or wicked. And the second word is hysterical, that is uncontrolled emotion. When we see something, we hear something, and suddenly our mind stops thinking and we start reacting. बिना सोचे समझे कुछ एक अचानक से कुछ फील होना, इमोशंस आना, that is uncontrollable emotion which we can't control. And rage is also uncontrollable anger. So, as the mother saw the paws and the mouth of the mongoose smeared with blood, she felt that the mongoose, being a wicked animal, being an wild animal, must have killed her baby, must have killed her son, which was very, very small in compared to the mongoose, and thinking that, she started shouting and telling that the mongoose must have killed. She was indicating the mongoose and telling the mongoose that you must have killed my baby. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. Now what happened? As she was uncontrollable, she felt like mongoose have killed. Without thinking, without having any thought what must have happened or not, she was uncontrollably very angry, and due to that, she was carrying the basket full of groceries, which was very heavy. She brought down that heavy basket full of the groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose. So basically what happened? She was carrying the basket and she just put it on the mongoose. She didn't think that the mongoose is there, and she just left it on the body of the mongoose and ran inside to see the child in the cradle to check whether a baby is there, what is the position of the baby, because she was thinking that the mongoose must have killed the baby. Now, so basically here what happens is, the mother, without thinking anything, without actually seeing herself what happened inside, why the mongoose is smeared with the blood, she just put the heavy basket of the grocery on the body of the mongoose. Now let's see what happens next. So what happened next? The baby was fast asleep. As the mother thought, the mongoose must have killed the baby, but when she ran inside hastily, without thinking anything, she entered the room and she saw that the baby was fast asleep in the cradle. वो आराम से गहरी नींद में सो रहा था. But on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. And near the cradle, on the floor of that room, she saw a black snake was there, which was torn, means टुकड़ा टुकड़ा किया हुआ, which was torn and it was bleeding. In a flash, that is, suddenly, instantly, अचानक से दिमाग में आया, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Now, the baby was very safely sleeping in the cradle, and a snake was fallen down, cut it into pieces, and it was bleeding. She immediately got an idea in her mind. What was the idea? What was the thought that came instantly, suddenly in her mind? The thought that came was, the mongoose must have killed the snake, and due to that blood of the snake, the mouth and the paws of the mongoose was smeared with blood, which she was mistakenly thinking that it was the blood of the baby. So basically, she got the idea, clear idea, that the mongoose had saved the baby from the snake that has entered in the room, and she was just thinking that what I thought earlier was my mistake. So she ran, or we can say she came back to search, to when she came out, she spoke to the mongoose that, and she was now actually understanding what must have happened in reality. She said some good words to the mongoose that, "You have saved my child, you have killed the snake and saved my child. What have I done? What have I done?" Now the mother is asking to herself that what I have done, what thought came in my mind. Since you are a mongoose, I didn't think that you must be a good one. Since you are the companion of the sun, I immediately thought that you must have done something wrong only because you are a wild animal. So what have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still, unaware of a sobbing. Sobbing, that is noisy crying. Subuk subuk ke hona. So, as we have learned in the earlier paragraph, that when the thought came in the mother's mind that the mongoose must have killed the baby, she just put the heavy basket on the body of the mongoose. And after coming back, seeing the baby safe and seeing the bleeding snake, she is now realizing her mistake and she is talking to the mongoose, which was unaware of what she was telling because it was already dead. Why? Because being a small animal, and on that small animal's body, the heavy basket was put by the mother. So now she was touching the mongoose, she was trying to speak to the mongoose, she was trying to realize and say sorry to the mongoose, but the mongoose was already dead. So it was unaware to listen to and to understand what the mother was trying to say. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily, that is hurriedly, without thinking, जो दिमाग में आया, जैसा दिमाग में आया कर दिया, and rashly means madly, without any thought, stared long at the dead mongoose. Now the farmer's wife, after realizing the whole situation, after realizing the mistake she has done, she stared long at the dead mongoose. Stared long is to look fixedly, that is ghurna. So she was just staring at the mongoose who was already dead. Then she heard the baby crying. She was crying, she was sobbing outside where the mongoose was laying dead, and the baby was fast asleep. During this time, the baby again woke up and started crying, and she heard the cry of a baby. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. Now, as she was apologizing the work she has done, she was just crying in front of the mongoose sitting near the body. But after listening to the cry of the baby, that is the son, she wiped her tears, Potna wiped her tears, and she went in to feed him. Means again she went for the natural work she used to do whenever the baby used to cry. She used to give her food. So again she went inside to give food to the baby. So students, basically as we started the chapter, that this chapter was taken from Panchatantra, which is full of fables, that is stories that give us moral values. This story too gives us a moral value. This story also teaches something, and that something is emotional, don't be in hurry, don't create imaginations in our mind. We should not think what must have happened and act accordingly. We should first see, realize the actual things happening around us, then only act accordingly. So basically, students, we learn from the story that we should think before we do anything. As a mother, without any thinking, without actually seeing what must have happened, she thought in her mind and she killed the mongoose. She was feeling that the mongoose must have killed the son, but due to that madness, due to that rush, due to that rage, due to that anger, she unintentionally killed the mongoose herself. वो सोच रही थी mongoose ने उसके बच्चे को किल किया, but actually उसने mongoose को मार डाला without thinking of her action. So students, always think properly before acting. So this is the basic moral we study from this story, and we should apply it also in our daily life so that our life will remain always positive. Thank you.